Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 7 to the power of n equals to 7 times of n plus 35, and we will solve this problem for the values of n. So in this problem here, first I will introduce about the Lambert W function or Wolf alpha function. So we will denote this function by W, and if we have W of n times of e to the power of n, so that its output will becomes in the form of n. So now first we convert our question statement into this form. So this form will be just we have exponent of e is multiplied by here. So now we convert our given statement in this form, and we can use here this nice Lambert W function. So that the very first thing we are going to do is here, first we divide both of the sides by 7 to the power of n, and we will get its output in this form: 7 to the power of n over 7 to the power of n equals to, here we take common 7 and we get 7 times of n plus 5, and this whole over 7 to the power of n. And now in the next step, you will see here in the left hand side we have these two terms are gone, and we will get here 1, and in the right hand side we move this 7 to the power of n in the upsides, and we write it as 1 minus n into n plus 5. And in the next step we will multiply both of the sides by -1, and we will get its output in this form: -1 equals to 7 to the power of 1 minus n into minus n minus 5. So now in the next step, we will just make 7 to the power of minus n minus 5, so that here we multiply both of the sides by 7 to the power of minus 6. So when we multiply both of the sides by 7 to the power of minus 6, then we will get its output in this form: 7 to the power of minus 6 into 7 to the power of 1 minus n into minus n minus 5. And now we first make little bit simplifications here, and we get 7 to the power of minus 6 equals to 7 to the power of minus 6 plus 1 equals to minus 5, and we get minus n minus 5 into minus n minus 5. And now in the next step we will take the log and anti-log at the same times of this expression, and we will write over this expression as e to the power of log of 7 to the power of minus n minus 5, and here we have minus n minus 5. So here you see that this is the anti-log and this is the log, and you know that when these are occurs at the same time, so these are cancelled by each other, and we will obtain our value 7 to the power of minus n minus 5. So now here we use the property of log, and we can take minus n minus 5 in the front of this log, and we will write it as e to the power of minus n minus 5 times of log 7 into, we have minus n minus 5, and in the left hand side we have minus 7 to the power of minus 6. And now in the next step, in order to make the Lambert W form, here we just need to multiply both of the sides by log of 7, because we have e to the power of minus n minus 5 into log 7, so we must be make this expression here. So we have only minus n minus 5 and we need log 7, so that we will multiply both of the sides by log of 7, and we will get its output in this form: minus times of log 7 into 7 to the power of minus 6 equals to e to the power of minus n minus 5 into log 7, and here we have minus n minus 5 into log 7. So here we multiply just log 7 on both of the sides, and now we have time to take the Lambert W function on both of the sides, so that we will get its output in this form: w of minus times of 7 to the power of minus 6 into log 7 equals to w of minus n minus 5 times of log 7 into e to the power of minus n minus 5 into log of 7. So if you focus on the right hand side, we have the exponent of e is multiplied by here, so that the output of this function will be minus n minus 5 times of log 7. And now we make little bit simplification in the left hand side, and we will write it as 7 to the power of minus 6 as minus 7 to the power of minus 7 into 7 to the power of 1, because when you add minus 7 plus 1 you will get here minus 6 into we have log of 7. So now we can just take the log and anti-log of this term only, and we will write it as w of first I can write 7 times of log 7 here, and we take the log and anti-log on this term, and we will write it as e to the power of log to the power into 7 to the power of minus 7, and this whole equals to minus n minus 5 times of log 7. And now in the next step we will make little bit simplifications in the left hand side, and here we have w of 7 times of log 7 into, here we move this minus 7 in the front of this log, and we have, sorry, this is the minus sign, we will write it here, and we get e to the power of minus 7 times of log 7, and it is equals to minus n minus 5 times of log 7. So here you see that we will again make our function in the Lambert W form. So you have the exponent of e will be minus 7 times of log 7, and it is multiplied by here, so that its output will be in this form: minus 7 times of log 7 equals to minus n minus 5 times of log 7. So now you focus on both of the sides, and you see that this log 7 and log 7 are cancelled by each other, and we will obtain here minus 7 equals to minus n minus 5. And now we solve this problem for the values of n. So we move this minus n in the left hand side and minus 7 in the right hand side, and you will get here n equals to 7 minus 5. So this implies that we will finally got here n equals to 2. So this is the our final answer of this problem, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.